morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trish and today we are going to be doing what I packed for a 3-week tent camping road trip. Now we are getting ready to, sorry, I'm doing this vlog style. But we are getting ready to leave for 3 weeks and it is totally tent camping. We are going to be roughing it outdoors, which we actually really enjoy. I know a lot of people don't like tent camping, and a lot of the tent camping we're doing is free, meaning there's not going to be a lot of running water or, you know, anything like that. It's very primitive camping. And if you want a video on free camping, just comment down below and I will let you know how you actually get to do free camping. But for now, let me go ahead and turn you around and show you what I'm actually bringing with me for my 3 weeks on the road. All right, so this is what I am bringing with me. This is a Cabin Zero. It's not the 28 liter, it's the next size up backpack, and it's what me and my husband take with us when we travel overseas, when we go tent camping, basically when we go anywhere. And these are the shoes that I am taking. These are the ones that I want to be using while driving, and those of course are the hiking, don't want to get bugs on my toes shoes. So in here, in the front of this, it has a really good sized pocket, and most of that is going to be for, I can't get it open right now. Most of that is going to be for our washcloths, extra towels, stuff like that. But currently all that is in there is my contacts for the trip. So those are down there. And then we flip it open. And up here in the top is tent camping essentials. You never leave home without these. And so this is the tent camping essentials that are in the bag. My dog decided to join us. That are in the top part of the bag up here in the mesh, and it is stormproof matches, essential for if it rains while you're tent camping. Why are you eating my shoe? Okay, just checking. These are wet fire starters to go with the stormproof matches so we can get a fire going to cook our food. These are actually expandable towels. You get them wet and you can use them for cleaning dishes, washing off, washing your face, washing your hands, whatever you need. And these, of course, are Kleenexes. Now, if you've ever traveled overseas, we all know why Kleenexes are a necessity. If you have not traveled overseas, bathrooms that, you know, don't have the necessities in it. All right, so that's everything that is up here. In this pouch is going to be panties, bras, and socks. I am taking 5 pairs of socks and 5 pairs of panties and 2 bras. So we will actually be doing the laundry while we're out there, and I'll explain how we do the laundry when we get there. So this is what the inside looks like, and there's actually a lot of room left in this thing, if you can't tell. Again, I have more stuff I have to put in here that is not my clothes, makeup, or toiletries, so we're getting there. First thing is a brush, complete with the hair ties attached to it. A hoodie. I get cold no matter what, so I always have a hoodie packed just in case. This one is going to have the toiletries in it, which I will go through in a second. It is not full, it's just half full. This is a makeup bag. Yes, I actually do take makeup when I go tent camping. Shocking, I know. Over here, I have Downy Wrinkle Releaser. I never travel anywhere without this stuff. I do not use it for releasing wrinkles because none of my clothes really do get wrinkled. This is actually to make my clothes smell better after they've been around a campfire and I need to run into a store and I don't want to smell like a campfire. Spray your clothes with this. It's a lifesaver, just so you know. All right, and then we get into the clothes for the 3-week road trip. So here we go. So these are the sleeping shorts, and then beyond that I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of shorts plus the shorts that I will be wearing when we leave, so that's a total of 4. And then this is a blue tank top, a black tank top, black and gray tank top, a pretty one for, you know, going out if you want to go out or if you actually want to look like a normal person. And then I have 2 t-shirts. This is just a plain gray t-shirt and a plain white t-shirt. So I also have a sleeping t-shirt here, or a going to and from the shower house t-shirt, a pair of running pants, and a pair of yoga pants. These can be used interchangeable with one of Drew's t-shirts, which I will probably inevitably be stealing. And last but not least, I do have my bikini. Now, I do realize this is not a lot of stuff, and you guys are like, oh my god, how in the world is she going to get through a 3-week tent camping road trip with just this amount of stuff? Well, we are actually going to be doing the laundry while we are out. We do have a way to dry the clothes. We do have a drying rack, which I will try to show you guys in a later video how we set up camp and everything else. But now I will tell you guys, this is not sponsored any way, shape, or form, nor did they send this to me. We buy it with our own money off Amazon. But this Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap is a lifesaver. It is a huge, how much is in here? 32-ounce bottle. And we take this, and this can be used for body wash, which we use it for because tea tree, if you don't know, helps keep bugs away. I can talk. It also can be used as a shampoo, which we use it for. It can be used as a laundry detergent, a dish detergent. If you get desperate, you can brush your teeth with it. I've not been that desperate yet, but it can be used for just about anything. So we take this, and this is how we do our laundry. When we travel overseas, we actually do take a bar of it and use that as our bar soap. But we do take a bar of it when we go overseas, and that way if we do have to wash our clothes, we can just jump in the shower with our clothes on and, you know, use the bar of soap on it and do it that way. And we have done it like that before. So there is that. But let me go ahead and show you what is in the toiletries and the makeup bag. Okay, so this is everything that comes in this bag here. And we do have a mini travel size of deodorant. Our toothbrush holders that are both mine and Drew's, they're empty right now because, you know, we still have to brush our teeth. I do have a full thing of sunscreen. Toothpaste, of course. Conditioner, I do not pack shampoo because we do use the Dr. Bronner's for it, but the Dr. Bronner's does tend to dry out my hair, so I always pack a conditioner for it. And then a Velvet Dream. If you guys saw my Birchbox review, I said this is a lot like my Marrakesh oil I put in my hair. So I want to use this on days that my hair is super frizzy. Extra healing aloe for any sunburns that occur. Regular just spray lotion for, you know, minor sunburns. My face wash, which is an Ole Hendrickson trial size, and a Clinique moisturizer. And that is all we are taking. Now, we will probably have to replenish some of this while we're on the road, but we don't want to take too much to start with, and we don't actually use a lot of this stuff. This I will probably use maybe whenever we actually go into a shower. I do have a 5-gallon solar shower that we use when we do the free tent camping, so there is that. But the rest of this stuff, this will last me the whole time, and this will last me the whole time. So that is all that is in the toiletry bag. Now let me real quickly show you what is in the makeup bag. Now, I am someone that does like to wear makeup. I wear makeup a lot. Obviously, my channel up until now has mostly been beauty. So I will say this is probably a lot for most people who are tent camping and they're like, oh my gosh, why in the world is she wearing makeup? I like to look good for photos. So the first thing, of course, is, well, let's start out with this. This little one I use as a primer. It's just the sample size of a ROC multi-correction 5-in-1, and it's got a sunscreen to help. I outside constantly for 3 weeks. Sunscreen's of importance. The IT Cosmetics CC cream, this is in light. You don't need very much of this, so I am taking the smaller size of it. I do have a full size of that one. And this, of course, is just my under eye depuffer. I use this every day. My husband uses this every day. We love this stuff from Physicians Formula. And then the rest of the makeup is just a Well People mascara. We all know that's going to last and not have a problem. For the eyes, I just have a number 7 Stay Perfect Shade and Define in Pink Pearl. The Wet n Wild Single Shadow and Nutty. This is really great on your lid and then blend it into the crease if you are wanting a something more than just a wash of color. And then the Pirates of the Caribbean, this is in Risk It All. This is just a nude lipstick and a gloss for basically any look if I'm trying to dress up a look. And these last two are actually lip balms. This is the IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi Rose, and it's a lip balm. It's one of those that changes color. Oof, I'm almost out, but it's just one of those that changes color when you put it on your lips. And then, I can't get the lid on. And then this one is a CoverGirl Jumbo Perfection Balm, Glossy Balm. And it is more of just a bright pink to give a bit more of a pop of color. And then tweezers. These you have to pack for numerous reasons. I like to pack them for, of course, eyebrows, but also pulling ticks off. Dogs, people, whatever. Hey, it's a fact of life, you guys. Well, it's a fact of camping, we'll say. So this is all the makeup I am taking for my 3-week road trip. And that is everything. This is my this is my 3-week wardrobe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.